సరైన ప్రతిపాదనలు వనరులు ఉన్న చోట ఎస్టీఐ హబ్ల ఏర్పాటుకు కేంద్రం సిద్ధంగా ఉందని శాస్త్ర సాంకేతిక శాఖ సహాయ మంత్రి జితేంద్ర సింగ్ చెప్పారు. టెక్నాలజీ వినియోగంలో ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ ముందుందన్న ఆయన ఇటీవలే క్వాంటమ్ వ్యాలీకి శంకుస్థాపన చేసిన విషయం ప్రస్తావించారు. ఎస్టీఐల నిధులు సరిగ్గా వినియోగించడం లేదన్న అమలాపురం ఎంపీ హరీష్ బాలయోగి ప్రశ్నకు జితేంద్ర సింగ్ లోక్సభలో జవాబిచ్చారు. గత 5 ఏళ్లలో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వ సహకారం సరిగ్గా లేకపోవడంతో శాస్త్ర సాంకేతిక శాఖ నుంచి కొన్ని పనులు చేయలేకపోయామని చెప్పారు.
I noticed certain instances when there is a severe underutilization of funds released to the STI hubs. This raises concern regarding the effective implementation of the objectives of the scheme at the ground level. Therefore, I would like to ask the Honourable Minister whether any comprehensive review has been undertaken of these institutions assigned to the implement the scheme, especially those showing a high rate of underutilization of funds released to them, particularly in Andhra Pradesh.
Only last week, the first ever quantum center, the foundation stone was laid at Amravati, and just a week before that, the National Ocean Institute block was also inaugurated in the city of Vizag. And as far as the STI hubs are concerned, which the honourable member has sought to discuss, I am also glad to share with him that the state of Andhra Pradesh has the maximum number of STI hubs. You have as many as 8 hubs, and naturally we are in the, as I said, we are in an expansionist mode wherever the criteria is fulfilled of having a sufficient number of ST or SC population, and also the resources available, and there is an institution coming forward to cooperate in this, whether from the government sector or the non-government sector. We are in the, and as to tell you also that the next call is going to be rolled out in the month of March, April. I would request the honourable member to also try to prompt and encourage proposals for that, so that when we go for the next cycle, we could consider other spots as well as other locations as well.